right, so the 2014 National Treasures box break number 4. Final box here. 11:38 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in the mix. Mr. Poggi, captain, first old dirt rider. There he is. You got Game Time DeBears, JC Barfly swinging in the one man. I like that. Green and Gold, Lowndes, 8-man, card collector, Leo, DeFellas, Big Raj, Zeeks, HB, Josh, Ryan, Newman, man, the whole crew. Look at All Day Vike up in this joint. Health coach Labeezy running around as well. All right, card guy, we're in. We're ready. NC, last box in the case. I'm running out of NC, by the way. Yeah, I only got a couple more. So, all right, here we go. So we got 5-star coming up directly after this. Guys, like I said, tomorrow, noon Eastern Standard Time. Check early, check often. There's going to be, I don't even know how to describe it. It's going to be really awkward tomorrow, all right? That's all I'm going to say. All right, Kurt Warner, 2 out of 99. Going to STL. Tannehill, 4 out of 99. Going to Miami, 8-man. Alfredo, 15 out of 35. A little dirty pack. Got a little stain on that patch there. Going to Washington. Labeezy, you're in. Bortz McGortz, 48 out of 50. Going to Jacksonville. So Game Time, there you go. See, you can never count out the 32nd spot. CJ Mosley, 15 out of 25. Nasty patches in there. Going to Baltimore. 32nd spot, Dancing Monkey. There you go. And another. That's going to be Lorenzo Talaferio and CJ Mosley. Back to the Ravens. Dancing Monkey back-to-back hits. 61 out of 99. Dual jersey. Then, why couldn't it be Mikey Evans? Going to DeBears, 808. You got Austin Severian Jenkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-color patch. Austin Severian Jenkins, 5-color patch book. 46 out of 99. And then, Alan Hearns, 25 out of 99. Going to Jacksonville. Game Time. Here you go, bub. And then Jordan Matthews, 37 out of 49. And then, tell you what, he's just a small town girl.
Just a small town girl.
Lowndes, 26. He's just a small town girl. Dude, that's our third Manziel. And then, dude, 2 is jersey number. Colossal patch jersey, 2 out of 25. Manziel. 2 out of 25. Make it an eBay 1 of 1 of 1 of 1 of 1. Which makes it a 1 of 1 essentially. You might as well mark a 1 of 1 on the card. So, dude, that's the third Manziel out of this case. In any other scenario, in the beginning of the year, we would have freaked the F out. All right? But it's okay. You never know. But still, nice hit. 2 out of 25. Listen, I'll tell you what. Could have been another Michael Sam. That's all I'm saying. It could have been another Michael Sam. So, nice little Manziel to come back at the end of the night there for NT. Lowndes 26. Ask and you shall receive, brother. Ask and you shall receive.